Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to explore Discord public servers on mobile. So if you go to the Discord application, you'll not find any like Compass application or icon on the left. If you click on the plus, you'll be able to join servers using the link. And if you click on this icon, you'll be able to find study groups, clubs, and like this is for students. So nothing here. So what we'll have to do is simply go and open a browser and we'll go to Discord. So go and type discord.com/login and click on enter button. So in here, if it's your first time, they'll ask you to log into your account. For me, I'm already logged into my account. So if I go and click on the three lines at the top left, I'll find the Compass icon. As you can see, if you go, I find like the Discord icon, the first server, second server, third server, fourth like plus icon. Under it, I'll find like a Compass icon. That's the top of the download icon. If I go and click on that, I'll be able to explore all the public servers, as you can see. So all the public servers. Let's say example, I like this server. I'll be able to explore it. I can just go and click on it. And as you can see, it will take me into the server. So, and I'll be able to explore it. I can join it, but if I'm verifying my phone for some servers and stuff like that. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.